This is a Ṣajẹ beat, meaning something short for you to chew on. Ibora-Meji ni mo ní, ọmọ awẹ̀wòsùn, ó ti dópin ìṣẹ́. Ibora-Meji ni mo ní. Then you can then insert your name or your surname or your grandparents' name or your parents' name. In my case, I will say Omani Baba. So it goes like so it's all your do re mi. So I put soft cloth around my stick to make the sound a little bit softer. Otherwise, if I just use the wooden, it will sound like this. So that's the difference in high pitch and low pitch. That's us. So leave a message, leave comment if you have one.